Happy holidays, everyone! Today I'm on the Venice Boardwalk making snack packs for those in need. It's a simple process and anybody can do it. Here, I'll walk you through. Water bottle, 1 banana, some candy, some yummy granola bars. Any flavor will do. I try my best to mix it up. Because I have a sweet tooth myself, I always love to include something fun, like chocolate rolls or Nutty Buddy bars. Boom! All done. Yup, that easy. Okay, one more time. Grab your bag. 1 water. 1 banana for smiles and potassium. Don't forget your candy. Chocolate rolls. 1 granola bar. And bravo! All done. All that's left is to hand these goodies out with a smile, and mission complete. See you next time.